Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Everyone seemed to be picking on Nnamdi Kanu these few days, and everyone seemed to be using the opportunity to talk. And this time around, some persons are beginning to question the right of Nnamdi Kanu's speech, or the fact that he talks on behalf of the Igbos, and a lot of Igbos are beginning to open their mouth and talk. But this particular Igbo man is one person that most Igbos will begin to question, quote and unquote, they put a question mark on his Igbo-ness, or the sonship of his blood of being an Igbo man. But before we go into the news proper further analysis, we do like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you'll see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we get update our channel on YouTube. Very recently, Nnamdi Kanu has been talking real hard. When I mean hard, he's talking really deep, and it has spurred up a lot of persons to start talking as Nnamdi Kanu, Joe Igbokwe comes against Nnamdi Kanu. He said, I have restrained myself since from making comment on the state of the nation, given the wanton primitive destruction we witnessed in Lagos and other states in Nigeria. Since yesterday, I have been reading all the narratives on social media. A friend of mine sent a video purportedly made by Nnamdi Kanu of IPOB, which has been circulating on social media. I figured out that they are trying to link the childish and inciting video for being the cause of the mayhem in Lagos. In other words, the takeaway is that Nnamdi Kanu instigated Igbo in Lagos to attack Lagos in the name of protest for #EndSARS. As an Igbo political leader in Lagos who has been here for close to 40 years, I think history will permit me to speak out and put the record straight before the feeble, weak and senseless narrative create ethnic war in Lagos State. One, that's the Igbo still talking. So one, Igbo, I know, do not have the character to destroy but to build. And that is why we always say in Igbo proverb, Ebe onye bi ka ona anwachi, meaning where you live is where you build your home. Check your streets, check all the markets in Lagos, check estate developers, check everywhere in the metropolis and see and feel the presence of Igbo. They build anywhere they go and they do not destroy. Number two, Nnamdi Kanu does not speak for the Igbo nation, and therefore his opinion is not the opinion of the intelligentsias and business mongols in Igbo land. He's speaking for his brainwashed young element who are lost in his antics and fruitless separatist agenda. Those who matter in Igbo land are not on the same page with the Kano boy. You called him a boy of IPOB. Number three, Igbo in Lagos do not possess the character and the courage to invade His Royal Majesty Oba Akiolu's palace in Lagos. That's Lagos Island. That's TVC, LTV, Channels TV, Oriental Hotel, GTB, BRT, Nations, and all that. But people will say in an adage that it is a rat inside the house that will tell the rat outside the house that there's something in the house. We have to look inside. I have been in Lagos enough and deeply too close Asiwaju to know all his enemies in Lagos and YorubaNation, and it is political. Every PDP member in the Southwest do not like Asiwaju until they entered AD, AC, ACN, and APC. I was the spokesperson of our party for close to 14 years, and I know what I'm talking about. They see Asiwaju as the dominator of the environment and armor bearer of Southwest politics. They put all their political failures on the doorstep of Asiwaju, that's bad. If it rains heavily, it is Asiwaju that caused it. If there's thunderstorm, it is Asiwaju that caused it. If their businesses fail, it is Asiwaju that caused it. If their wives cannot get pregnant, it is Asiwaju that caused it. And so on. Success breeds envy. As you are going up, some people are going down, and those going down will not like those going up. Number four, he said political hate for Asiwaju has no boundary even in Nigeria. It goes beyond Nigeria. The PDP Nigeria knows it was Asiwaju that defeated them, not President Buhari. PMB came in 2003 and did not win. PMB came in 2007 and did not win. PMB came in 2011 and did not win until Asiwaju's political sagacity, creativity and strategy pushed Southwest ACN to form an alliance with CPC, ANPP, and some APGA members to give birth to APC. This is the root cause of this hate. Number 5, if you're a deep political thinker with great eyes, if you follow political events like I do every day, if you're a good student of politics and if you have third eyes, you will know at once that Asiwaju has built an intimidating, formidable and political network across Nigeria to the extent that it is difficult now, if not impossible, for anybody to stop him from becoming the president of Nigeria in 2023. That one, they lie well well. If you see the way they hate Asiwaju, if APC should try and give Asiwaju that ticket, except it's going to rig it. But if he's going to say free and fair election, Asiwaju will lose. Sorry, this is my personal opinion. The way Nigerians don't like Asiwaju, especially the Southwesterners, it will shock you. This one is not, we're not going political here. We're just saying we're feeling the pulse of Nigerians. Well, he has a right to vote and be voted for. We can't take that franchise from him. But I'm just saying it the way it is, literally, except, of course, he wants to rig it. But if it's by feelers, brother, let's come to reality. Let's leave political talk here. But let's continue with what he's saying anyway. He said, only God can stop him, and this I know very well. The strategy, well coordinated, clinical attacks on his interest in Lagos is well planned, well structured, and clinically delivered to stop him in 2023 at all costs. But will it stop him? No, sir. Number 6, Asiwaju is not the only governor that ruled in Nigeria from 1999 to 2007. Where are the other 35 governors and why are they not trending like Asiwaju after 13 years out of power? You cannot stop an idea whose time has come. You cannot cover the sun with bare hands. Number 7, while they are busy burning bridges across Nigeria, Asiwaju has been building bridges across Nigeria since 1999, east, west, north or south. As I speak to you now, he has formidable and intimidating networks, groups across the 36 states in Nigeria, including Abuja. This is the reason why they started a war against him. Number 8, please help to find their progenitors and the leaders of NSAS movement. Even though they will tell you they have no leaders, I'm sure the leaders are not Igbo, and I know it. Hashtag NSAS may be a dummy sold to the public, but I have a feeling that it has deep political undertones. When they started the hashtag N Nigeria, N Buhari, N Asiwaju, N everything, people like us started doubting the movement. Now, see the rot and the damage staring us on the face. Number 9, now, having said all this, let me ask this fundamental question. Who is driving this narrative that Igbo led a sophisticated Yoruba nation to destroy Lagos in their own land because one funny character called Nnamdi Kanu told them to do so in Yoruba nation in the 21st century? Where is the muscle? Where is the courage? Where is the strength? Where is the capacity? We can do better than this. Number 10, without sounding immodest, let me say it here that the sophisticated and well-cultured Yoruba nation I know very well should throw this narrative away with left hand. It is not good politics. Lagos has the machinery, deep political structures, and the culture's great understanding and all the trappings of modern civilization to investigate these horrible allegations trending on social media that one funny character called Nnamdi Kanu commanded his boys to attack Lagos. It is one dangerous allegation that can cause an inflammation or that can also cause disaffection in the metropolis and beyond if not properly managed and handled. Okay, he said police declare Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer wanted over dead cops. Are you serious? I did not even notice that too. Okay, let's continue. Say number 11. Finally, let me use this medium to draw the attention of the Southeast governors, senators of House of Representatives, state lawmakers, and Southeast Igbo intelligentsias, Igbo leaders of thought, traditional rulers, captains of industries from Igbo land, Igbo business Mongols, Igbo professors, Igbo intellectuals, all eggheads in the Southeast, Igbo intellectuals in diaspora, Igbo professionals, and so on to rise up and speak out. By all means, Nnamdi Kanu must be called to order. Nnamdi Kanu is putting all Igbo in danger across Nigeria. Igbo remain the most traveled tribe in Nigeria, and they have settlements across Nigeria and across the world. The kind of statement he issued, which I listened to, is capable of bringing up another genocide and millions of Igbos will die. If evil triumph in any society when good men will do nothing. He said, evil triumph in any society where good men do nothing. When elders are not at home, children may wear snakes as necklaces. The hottest part of hell are reserved for those who maintain their neutrality in times of great moral crisis. Let us gather together, reason together and run when the rain is yet to come. Nnamdi Kanu is putting all Igbos in trouble and in danger in Nigeria. If you are sensible people, and I know we are, this is the time to call a spade and tell Nnamdi Kanu that a tree cannot make a forest. I am the political leader of Igbo in APC Lagos, and I do not want any harm to come to any Igbo and other tribes in Lagos or anywhere in Nigeria. Let history be my witness. Case rested. That is Joe Igbokwe speaking in a nutshell. I just summarized all he has said in a nutshell. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on what Joe Igbokwe, APC Igbo leader in Lagos, is saying against the supreme leader of indigenous people?